It's more important than ever to maintain your contemporary vehicle as 2025 approaches. With modern car models like hybrids and electric vehicles, as well as sophisticated electronics and innovative technology, adequate maintenance guarantees safety, dependability, and peak performance. By keeping up with regular maintenance, software upgrades, and specialist care, you can prolong the life of your vehicle throughout the year and save expensive repairs. In order to prevent expensive repairs, safety hazards, and performance problems, here are 7 things you should never do to your current car in 2025. Number 7. Over-rely on advanced driver assistance systems. Lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and automated emergency braking are examples of advanced driver assistance systems that have transformed car safety by assisting drivers in preventing collisions and lowering fatigue. But the purpose of these tools is to support human attentiveness, not to replace it. Using ADAS excessively can result in risky complacency. According to research, drivers who place too much reliance in these systems may respond more slowly or not at all when the system signals for them to take over. This entails utilizing these technologies as additional tools rather than as a substitute for safe driving techniques, and always maintaining your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Number 6, ignore software updates and cybersecurity. With software controlling everything from infotainment and navigation to engine performance and braking, modern cars are becoming more and more like advanced computers on wheels. Manufacturers update these software systems frequently to address security flaws, expand functionality, improve safety features, and fix bugs. Your car could be seriously at risk if you ignore these updates. Cybercriminals are increasingly targeting linked cars to steal personal information, track whereabouts, or even remotely control vital systems like steering or braking. Furthermore, software upgrades frequently increase battery management in electric cars, correct issues with driver assistance systems, and improve fuel economy. Your car's performance and dependability may suffer if you ignore these updates. Always install software updates on time, create strong, one-of-a-kind passwords for linked services, refrain from installing untrusted third-party apps, and exercise caution when disclosing vehicle information to outside parties in order to safeguard your car and personal information. Number 5. Misuse efficiency features. Modern automobiles, particularly electric and hybrid models, are outfitted with cutting-edge efficiency features intended to lower pollutants and fuel consumption. Eco modes optimize engine and transmission settings for maximum efficiency. Start-stop systems automatically turn off the engine when the vehicle is stationary to conserve fuel, and regenerative braking captures kinetic energy during deceleration and transforms it into electrical energy stored in the battery. When these systems are misused or turned off without knowing how they work, it can result in increased emissions, fuel consumption, and mechanical component damage. Drivers should adopt eco-friendly driving practices that complement these technologies, anticipate traffic flow to enhance regenerative braking, and learn how to use these features responsibly in order to maximize advantages. Number 4, skip or delay routine maintenance. Even with today's sophisticated cars, regular maintenance is still essential to maintaining longevity, safety, and performance. Compared to previous cars, modern engines frequently use synthetic oils and have longer between oil change intervals. However, this does not mean maintenance may be neglected. Delaying or skipping oil changes can result in sludge accumulation, oil deterioration, and increased engine wear, all of which can lead to overheating or early engine failure. Always adhere to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance plan, use the recommended fluids and parts, and have your automobile serviced by skilled technicians who can accurately diagnose and handle both mechanical and electronic issues to prevent expensive repairs and guarantee safe and effective operation. Number 3, perform unnecessary or poorly executed modifications. Modern cars are intricate devices with intricately linked mechanical and electronic components, despite the fact that updating and personalizing them is a common pastime. Tuning the engine control unit to boost horsepower, for instance, may result in excessive heat, strain engine parts, or brake pollution laws. Uncalibrated suspension component modifications can impair vehicle handling instability, and raise the chance of collisions. Furthermore, aftermarket parts could not be compatible or durable enough to fulfill manufacturer standards, which could result in premature wear or failure. Sticking to manufacturer-approved accessories or seeking advice from qualified auto experts who are knowledgeable about your car's systems and capable of doing safe, legal changes that maintain warranty coverage and guarantee peak performance are the best ways to reduce these hazards. Number 2, ignore the owner's manual. Although it is sometimes disregarded, the owner's manual is a priceless resource for information unique to the make, model, and trim level of your car. It offers comprehensive guidance on how to use cutting-edge features like infotainment, driver assistance systems, hybrid or electric powertrains, tire pressures, fluid types and capacities, and maintenance schedules. Ignoring the handbook might result in expensive errors that harm the engine or cooling system, including utilizing the wrong coolant type or oil viscosity. Additionally, it may result in neglected maintenance schedules, which could lead to mechanical breakdowns or decreased performance. Many warranty claims depend on using and maintaining the product according to the instructions in the handbook. You can protect your investment and improve your driving experience by carefully reading and according to the owner's handbook, which will guarantee your car runs safely, effectively, and within warranty terms. Number 1, use the vehicle during the break-in period. For the engine, transmission, brakes, and other mechanical parts to settle and wear in properly, new cars need a break-in period. This time frame, which usually includes the first 1,000 to 1,500 kilometers, is essential for guaranteeing performance and dependability over the long run. Manufacturers give drivers detailed break-in instructions to maximize engine longevity, performance, and fuel economy. Disregarding these suggestions may shorten the lifespan of your car and result in expensive repairs or a lower resale value. Your car's mechanical systems can acquire the necessary clearances and seals by driving carefully and adhering to break-in recommendations. This will ensure optimal functioning and dependability for many years to come. Following these guidelines will help you maintain your modern car's safety, efficiency, and longevity in 2025. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.